All right, so real quick, we just created a new repository in CrewAI called CrewAI Quickstarts. And the goal for this is to show you exactly how a specific feature within CrewAI works. For example, here you'll see we have collaboration, guardrails, planning, and reasoning. And these are just the first few to come in here. I'm going to be adding a lot more in here based on the features that we have. The goal for this is if you go in here, for example, reasoning, you will find a Jupyter notebook where I've kind of outlined exactly how to use that feature. So here, how to use CrewAI reasoning in agents. And I explained how to use it. I have example code that you can actually just run and see how it works and see the output. And I'm also showing you output here. And I've added notes there that you can just follow along and learn how reasoning works. The goal for this is to add all the features. So there's planning, there's guardrails, for example, there's collaboration. And if you go into each, you'll find each individual file. So if you have any features that you want me to add on here, like maybe prioritize and add it, let me know. I'm happy to do that, but just wanted to show you this. And where you would find this, I'm going to, of course, leave the link in the comments below. But if you look here, you'll find it at CrewAI Quickstarts. And hopefully you start using it and let me know what you think about it. So see ya.